You think you need months to turn things around. A New Year's resolution, a fresh Monday, maybe next semester. But here's what they won't tell you. You're not waiting for the right time. You're waiting for permission to stop settling. And I'm here to give you something no one else will. A 24-hour framework that isn't packaged in any course or program out there. Because transformation isn't about time, it's about intensity. It's about compressing years of drift into one day of absolute focus. This isn't a pep talk. This is a blueprint. Let's rebuild you in 24 hours. Step 1, the total blackout. Choose your day. Wake up and immediately kill every escape route. Phone on airplane mode, Wi-Fi off. No streaming, no notifications, no checking of that one thing. Here's why this matters. Your life isn't falling apart because you lack discipline. It's falling apart because you're mentally fragmented. Your attention is scattered across 1,000 tiny dopamine hits, and your soul can't find itself in the noise. Silence isn't punishment, it's surgery. You're cutting out the tumor of constant stimulation so the real you can finally heal. If the thought of being alone with yourself for one day terrifies you, that's exactly why you need this. Step 2, the truth session. Find a quiet space. Sit down with nothing but yourself and a mirror nearby. Look yourself in the eye, and I mean really look, and ask this: what am I running from? Not what you want to achieve, not your goals or dreams. What are you avoiding? What truth have you been bearing under busy work, under Netflix binges, under "I'll start Monday"? You'll feel resistance. Your mind will try to distract you, make jokes, pull you away. Don't let it. Stay there. Let the discomfort rise. Because that discomfort, that's your conscience trying to speak, and you've been silencing it for too long. This is where healing starts, in the rawness of admitting what you already know. Step 3, the purge protocol. Take out paper, not your phone, actual paper. Write down everything that's been draining you. The people who make you feel small, the habits that steal your energy, the beliefs that keep you stuck. Be brutal. Be specific. No sugarcoating. Then destroy it. Rip it up, burn it safely, shred it into nothing. This isn't symbolic nonsense. This is a declaration. You're physically severing the cord to the old version of yourself, the version that tolerated mediocrity, the version that made excuses. That person doesn't survive today. Step 4, the forge session. Now we test what you're made of. Set a timer for 90 minutes. This is your crucible. First 30 minutes, body war. Push yourself physically. Sprints, burpees, a long, brutal run. It doesn't matter what it is as long as it hurts. As long as you have to fight to keep going, your body will beg you to stop. Don't. This is where you learn that discomfort doesn't break you, it reveals you. Next 30 minutes, mental download. Grab that notebook again. Write every fear, every frustration, every dream you've been too scared to admit. No editing, no structure, just raw, uncensored truth. And final 30 minutes, the void. Sit, no distractions, no input, just you and your breathing. Don't meditate, don't visualize, just be. Let your mind settle like dirty water becoming clear. This is where answers come, not from effort, but from stillness. When that timer goes off, you won't be the same person. You'll have proven something to yourself that no one can take away. Step 5, the evening oath. As the sun sets, stand in front of that mirror one last time. But this time you're not questioning, you're declaring. Say this out loud: I showed up. I didn't hide, I didn't run. Today I chose myself. Not because you're perfect or not because everything's fixed, but because for one full day, you gave yourself what most people never do: your complete, undivided presence. That's power. That's rare. You're not starting over. You're starting now. And the difference between the person who changes and the person who stays stuck isn't talent or resources or time. No, it's the willingness to stop waiting and start acting. One day, one decision, one chance to prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you've been settling for. So what's it going to be? Another year of someday, or one day that changes everything? Fix your life today. And if this hit different, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.